Hey there, friends. Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wanted to dive into crypto trading but felt overwhelmed by the complexity, today we have something that's going to change the game for you. We're talking about Azaliumbit, the platform that makes it incredibly easy for anyone to start trading crypto, even if you've never traded before. What makes Azaliumbit so special for beginners? It offers you the chance to try it all out risk-free. You can jump right into the demo mode and get hands-on experience with the platform without worrying about losing any money. You'll just one click away from Azaliumbit. Follow the link in the description and see how easy it is. In this video, we'll walk you in details through how to sign up, use the demo mode, and get started with trading using AI-powered bots, all in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking for an easy way to get started, this is your opportunity to test the waters with absolutely no risk. Ready to see how easy it is to get started? Stay with us, and we'll show you exactly how Azaliumbit works. All you need to do is head over to the website and fill out a quick registration form. No complex paperwork, no lengthy verification process. Once you've signed up, you'll have instant access to your personal dashboard and can start exploring right away. The best part? Azaliumbit gives you the opportunity to use its demo mode. This means you can test the platform without putting any real money at risk. The demo mode lets you get comfortable with the platform, try different strategies, and see how the AI-powered bots trade in real time, all without the pressure of losing funds. This is perfect for beginners who want to get a feel for the system before they jump into real trading. Now let's talk about the magic behind Azaliumbit, the AI-powered trading bots. These bots do all the heavy lifting for you, analyzing market trends 24/7 and making smart decisions based on advanced algorithms. This means you don't have to be an expert in crypto or spend hours analyzing charts. The bots do it all. They work tirelessly to find the best trading opportunities and act quickly, so you never miss out on a potential profit. What's more, Azaliumbit is designed to be beginner-friendly. The interface is simple and intuitive, so even if you've never traded before, you can get started in minutes. And don't worry about getting stuck. If you need help, their support team is always there for you. They'll guide you through the setup, offer tips on strategy, and help you make the most of the platform. So how does it work in practice? After you've set up your account and chosen a strategy, the AI bots get to work. You just sit back, relax, and watch the system make trades for you. The bots analyze the market, place trades based on your preferences, and work to grow your capital. But here's the thing, you're in full control. The platform allows you to customize your strategy, adjust your risk levels, and fine-tune your trading preferences. So whether you're a conservative investor or someone looking for bigger returns, Azaliumbit lets you trade according to your style. Azaliumbit gives you the perfect opportunity to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading through their demo mode. No money required, just your curiosity. You can test out the platform, get comfortable with the AI bots, and start seeing how it all works, all while making sure you're ready for real trades. No pressure, just pure learning and growth. Don't wait any longer. Register today, explore the platform, and take your first step towards smarter, automated crypto trading.